Welcome to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor, Abivia and in association with Max. Yes, folks, very excited. This is it, the climax, the end of the end, the final chapter, the finale, the last episode. That's right, 1,600 episodes later, the season is over. Actually, eight episodes. But let's find out who are the greats on this, the finale. So let's meet the teams in a second as I run to my podium. Sorry, थोड़ा सा emotional हो गया है because sadly this is the end, the final one, and I'm going to miss all the people, some of whose names I remember, some whom I only remember their faces, some whose wrong names I matched to faces. All these things have happened, but it's very emotional and sad day for me. As I say bye to this episode, I also start the beginning of the episode, the paradox in terms, which is meeting the teams. It's our usual format. Let's meet Team Red.
Hi everyone, this is my son Sanket.
Hi, this is my mom Rupa. Together we are the Red Cherries and we are going to swing our way to the top.
Wow. And let me guess, we've seen you before.
Yes.
You're a champions from the past.
Yes.
We were here last year.
They were here last year and begged to come back this year. No, I'm just kidding. We begged them to come back this year. Thank you, Red. Let's move to Yellow.
Hi, this is my wife, Zubaida, my partner for today and my lucky charm.
Hi everybody, this is Abul Hassan, my husband, my life partner, and he's a huge cricket fan. And together we are Team
Dabang.
again.
Be ready, here it is, Team Green.
Hi, this is Sapna, my best friend for a long time, and she's an insurance expert, but she plays cricket with a lot of assurance as well.
Hi everyone, this is Shantesh, my friend. He's an advertising guru and he's a cricket wizard as well.
Yeah,
and
together we are
Team Reverse Swing.
Let's go straight to it. Our first segment is called the Googly. Googly has two parts, Stargazing 1 and Stargazing 2. We start with Stargazing 1. Stargazing 1 is all about you guys coming forward. One partner comes here and watches the screen. The other one is back to screen. The partner here looks at the faces that come on the screen and gives hints. Okay, 10 points for every right answer. I'll just say that again. There's a limit of 5 players per team. For every correct answer, the team gets 10 points per answer. Simple. And if the player gives the clues by taking the name, you actually say the cricketer's name in your excitement, it'll be minus 10 straight away. And if you can somehow guess all the 5 players within 30 seconds, a bonus of 30 points. So you have to go really fast then if your partner is guessing correctly. 3, 2, 1, look at the screen.
Delhi Capitals captain.
Shreyas Iyer.
Very good. Next, come on, next.
Pakistani with
Amir.
no.
Go to next.
Yunis.
Misbah Ulak.
Very good. Next.
Next. This New Zealand cutting. Profession. Second name.
Very good clue. Come on.
Second name. Cutting.
Beta, think. Come on, time is going.
Next. Ross Taylor.
Yes.
Yes, you get your point.
He is a very good fielder. Indian.
Raina.
Best.
Raina Jadeja.
No. Old.
Old.
Time up.
Best.
Give it.
Thank
Well
you.
done. Well done, Mummy ji, well done, beta, well done. In 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. 45 seconds, go.
Next.
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 Don't say next. Don't do a hat trick.
Okay. The second name sounds like something, an insect crawling on the floor.
Ant.
No, the bigger one, the ugly one.
Cockroach.
The second part.
Kima Roach.
Yes.
Very good. Next.
Next.
Well done.
Sounds like a rubber. Kabada.
Kagis or Abada.
Yes. Indian player, the one who has bigger nostrils.
Dean?
Srishant.
Yes.
Yes, correct. Keep going.
Next.
Going back, one is left from below,
Okay,
from the first.
Okay, this is 2 names. This first name sounds like, the second part sounds like...
Time up. But good try. I think 3, right?
Yeah.
We got 3, so 30 points for sure. Chandapal was a little difficult, I suppose, to get something to rhyme. In 3, 2, 1, let's look. The name is there in case if it helps.
Okay, we'll move on to the next.
Next.
Okay, Pakistani.
Okay.
Captain.
Akram,
Retired.
retired. Mian Dad, Imran
Yes.
Khan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Move.
Next.
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 Time.
Okay, I'll move on to the next.
Oh, next.
Okay, Sri Lankan.
Okay. Sangakkara.
Unique type of bowler.
Lasik Puralinga.
Correct.
Very good. Next, fast.
Okay, Indian
Okay.
cricketer.
Yeah.
Bowler again.
Okay. Left arm, right arm. Spinner.
Yeah.
Spinner. Chahal.
No.
Kumble. Raju.
Can we move to the next?
We're done. We can go back.
Okay, we-
Time up.
Okay.
Umesh Yadav, fastest bowler in India, is not a spinner. Sapna, it was wonderful. You get a total of 20 points. So it's red 40, yellow 30, green 20. Off you go, Sapna. Give them a big hand. Well done. Stargazing part 2, the difficult version. We take it up a little bit, so pay attention. You will see on your screen, when you come and perform here as a pair, you will see on the screen 2 faces in 1 face. You have to guess both the cricketers. You have 30 seconds to guess both the cricketers in that 1 face. If you do it correctly without a clue in 15 seconds, you get 50 points. Straight away, huge lead. If you get it with the clue after 15 seconds, you still get 30 points. 3, 2, 1. Let's take a look. 30 seconds. 2 faces. The clue is 15
Dale
seconds.
Steyn and Morne Morgan.
Yes, he's got it. He's got the 50. He got it as I was giving the clue. You saw there was no cheating. It was live. What a moment. My heart is racing. 3, 2, 1. Stargazing for yellow.
Kapil Dev and Imran Khan.
Oh my God! Wow! That's fantastic. But having said that, I do see how you got it. You got Imran.
Yeah.
But you didn't get Kapil.
She suggested Kapil initially, and then I could make out it was him.
Wow, no more jokes. No more jokes. Some people really know what they're talking about. This is real teamwork, guys. Well done. Guys, come on, big hand to yellow. It's really good. In 1, 2, 3, 30 seconds to go. Who is this guy and the other guy? Clue in 2 seconds. Pakistan run machines. Okay, Pakistani run machines. Pretty clear.
Mohammad Yusuf and Yunus Khan.
Well done, son. Well done. Well done. Didn't get the 50, but you got the 30. You're very much there. Green, well done. Well, this is a very strong scoring segment for the 3 teams. At the end of round 1, the double round, which is also the googly round with 2 parts to it, the scores are very interesting. Team red is 90. Team yellow is 80. And team green is 50. 90, 80, 50. So it's anyone's game. Anyone's game. Wait, we need a break to get back into the action. We'll take a few seconds off, have a Nutridor Abivia tea break, and then we'll come back. So everybody take your glasses, say cheers and tables. Because there are chairs and there are tables. Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021 presented by Nutridor Abivia in association with Max. Excited, round 1 is done, but now comes the power play. Boom. All right, in power play, the game we've devised is called Balancing Act. You got 60 seconds as a pair. One of the pair has to hold the bat. The other has to load the cans. The Nutridor Abivia cans that you see there, the red ones, as many as you can on the bat in 60 seconds, no more. The victorious team will get 20 points, but if you can hold more than 20 cans, if you hit 20 cans, the number of 20 and above, you will get a bonus of 30 points. Fair enough? 60 seconds. Are you guys ready? Team red? Okay, concentrate. 3, 2, 1, and Mamiji, start! 60 seconds to go. We'll try and give you the time in between. 2 have gone, 4 have gone, 6 have gone. Up double or nothing. 8, 10, 12, yes. So 12 have gone. Oh, okay. 13, 14. Let's look at the time. 20 seconds left. Careful. I will not advise, but be careful. 10 to go. Maybe. Be careful. Think about whether it's worth it. आगे जाने के लिए worth it है या नहीं. 4, 3, 2, 1. Please hold that position while we count quickly. Wow. Big hand. Come on, guys. Big hand. Green, yellow, red. Right there. It turned out to be 19 cans. 19. One shy of the bonus. One more. But this is luck. 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay. We'll give you the time from time to time. Terrible pun, but it will happen. I think control is very important. It's not necessary to go like a mad person. So, और ये I think दो ऊपर और नीचे दो रो हो गया. I think can't see fully. 30 seconds up, 30 to go. But you don't have to hurry. It's all about the balance. Less than 20 seconds to go. 15 exact, in fact. Which means now we have 10 seconds to go. Be careful. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we've got to stop. What is the number? Pat on the back, because we thought 20 is the area of difficulty and exactly at 19 you're failing. How exact can our science be, yaar? All right, yellow, well done. Red, well done. Just there. Can green crack that 20 or at least reach 19 and equalize? Let's find out. Green, come on. Fully ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. 60 seconds. Okay, now the advantage of playing green in this particular game is they have watched red and yellow, so they sort of know the strategy which works, the time that works, the speed that works. Having said that, towards the last 20 seconds, both the other teams weren't able to get more out of it. So just think of that. 15 seconds up. You can't hold the cans up. Okay, stop. Cans have fallen. Afsos. Stop. Afsos again. Unfortunately, green bows out because they dropped the cans. But red and yellow are in the finals. We have to have a playoff here to get a result. Both got 19. Who's going to win? This is a shootout, so it's only 30 seconds, and we start with the second team instead of the first team. On the count of 3, yellow, if you're ready. 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. Okay. Hope the energy is not gone, Zubeda, after that very exhausting marathon 19 before. But seems to be great at the moment. Momentum is good. The horse is out of the paddock very quickly. I think we've come to the second line, which was... I'll give you the seconds as well. Figure it out. Do not drop whatever happens. 5 to go. 3, 2, 1. We'll have to count. 20. It's 20. No bonus, but still 20 in 30 seconds. Huge improvement. Practice makes perfect. Well played. All right, red is ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, we'll play the relevant music in the background to create the more suspense. 4 becomes 6. 6 becomes 8. 20 is the number. It's still 8. How many seconds? Let's find out from our timer. 15 gone, half gone. Okay, we will give you the 10 count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kitna ho gaya? Do not drop it, please, for 3 seconds. 18. Well done, guys. Well done. All right. We do have results and we have scores. Yellow wins this round, but the scores are red, 90. All right, 90. Yellow, 100. Well done. Please clap. And green, you're at 50, which means you're very much in the running. 90, 150, not that big a discussion here. You can all win. But now it's time for us to take a Nutridor Abivia tea break, and then we'll come back for the final over. Everybody raise your glasses. That's right. And have a sip. Where's my mouth? Welcome back to Colors Cricket Quiz 2021, presented by Nutridor Abivia in association with Max. Last time I think I'll be saying that this season. Pause for a second, hold your tears, don't get emotional, beta. There are people watching, I hope. All right, and it's now time for the final over. Final over. Yes, like I said, the final over means literally that, the final over. It's a buzzer round. I'll explain quickly what's going on. So, it's a buzzer section, simple as everyone knows. The team that hits the buzzer first gets to answer. 10 points for every correct answer, -5 for every wrong answer. The other teams can hit the buzzer if an incorrect answer is given, but the same rules apply. For those of you who may not remember, the free hit option is, I will say the question number, such as question number 1, and I will pause. And then you can decide at that point to hit the buzzer and take the free hit. Lottery, it's your decision. If in that free hit you get the bonus questions that are attached as well, your points will double and triple and it can go out of control. Okay, you will double the points if you answer correctly with the basic question, but it can also reduce your score by 10 points if you get it wrong. Now, this question is an audio question. First, I'll give you a chance for free hit. Question number 1. No free hit. Okay. Now listen to this dialogue between two cricketers in the 80s, way back when. This is a fast bowler who gets the better of a batsman with one ball, short ball, and the next ball it goes for 6, and there's a reply. So first, he bowls the bouncer, gets the better of the batsman, and the bowler says, it's red, it's round, and it weighs about 5 ounces, in case you're wondering. All right? The reply, after the 6 is hit from the batsman is, hey Greg, you know what it looks like? Go and find it. Press ho gaya buzzer, green. My hand is right. Green.
Batsman is Vivian Richards.
Very good, very good. That's the answer. Vivian Richards after hitting Greg Thomas of Glamorgan and England for 6. There's a bonus here only for Team Green. Let's go straight to the bonus. Which brand of helmets Richards used to wear when he played? Is it Grey Nichols, Kookaburra, Masuri or SG?
Okay, well, he never really wore a helmet.
Correct answer, sahi jawab, before you say anything wrong. Only in his last tour to England, he carried the helmet in the bag. Oh, you're a Richards fan. Isaac Vivian Zindabad. Question number 2. No free hit. Okay, which former Indian international is now the director of cricket in the United Arab Emirates, the UAE? Former Indian cricketer, the boss of UAE cricket. Time up. Okay, we'll give it. Who pressed it? Green pressed it.
Going for it, Robin Singh.
You are right! You went for it correctly. Hey man, Robin Singh, right answer. Bonus. The bonus goes to you. For which non-Indian side did Robin Singh first play?
Which non?
For which non-Indian side did Robin Singh first play first class cricket for?
Trinidad.
Very good. Trinidad and Tobago. Well done. Well done. This is like a West Indies special suddenly that's happening. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. As on 1st Feb 2021, which Indian cricketer has played the longest innings in Test cricket in terms of balls faced? Again, Green.
Cheteshwar Pujara.
Well done. Cheteshwar Pujara, 202 of 525 balls versus Australia in Ranchi. Question number 4. That's free hit. So it's only for Team Green, yellow and red. Baith jao 2 seconds ke liye. Let's focus only on Green. Green, your super question here is, for the free hit, who is the only Indian women's cricketer to score double century in Tests?
Test.
In Test cricket, there's only one Indian woman who has scored a double century.
Shanta Rangaswamy.
This is the time to sing Sapna Mera. Toota gaya. Sorry, well done with West Indies. Terrible with Indian women. Cricket. Yellow?
Mithali Raj.
You are right. It is your Raj now. You're back. Yellow is back. Mithali Raj, the correct answer. Question number 5. No free hit. Green can't. Red and yellow say no. Normal question. Who was the leading run scorer and the leading wicket taker in 2020 Under-19 World Cup? 10 points for each correct answer. Who was the leading run scorer and the leading wicket taker in the 2020 Under-19 World Cup? The year 2020. Team Red has pressed. So, go on. Leading run scorer?
Yashasvi Jaiswal.
Yes. And leading wicket taker?
Kartik Tyagi.
All right, just to fill you in, Red, 10 was correct. So, you get that. And then -5 for wrong. So, you get +5. Anybody else? He's still guessing. It is Ravi Bishnoi. Your second guess was spot on. 17 wickets. Yup. Question number 6. Free hit. Multiple choice question. Which former West Indian cricketer, also a politician, also an advocate, became instrumental in getting the 1965 Race Relations Act passed in Britain? Let me give you, I know, but let me just give you the options, especially you, Green. I can see you jumping up and down. A. Everton Weekes, B. Frank Worrell, C. Leary Constantine, and D. Clyde Walcott. Oh. Green.
Everton Weekes.
Anybody else? It's not Everton Weekes. Time up. The answer is Leary Constantine, who also famously killed a dove with a shot once back in the day when we were young. Okay, question number 7. No? Okay. The question, look behind you and on the screen something will appear. Whose bowling action? You'll have to press the buzzer to tell me whose bowling action. Okay, green it is. Green it is.
Zahir Khan.
Zahir Khan is right. Pakka 100% mil gaya, beta. Now the bonus question you get with this, so hang in there. What was the name of the fine dining restaurant opened by Zahir Khan?
Is it called Zeds?
Yeah, you can't because you're advertising makeup stories. Please understand. This is actual fact.
I don't know it.
I'll just tell you the answer. It's Dine Fine. Zahir Khan's very own diner. Zahir Khan's thing is called Dine Fine. You take my name, you get 10% off. And you may not be let in, but that's another story. Okay, question number 8. You've taken it? Red has taken it, and the right thing to do. It's the right thing. The gamble is at the right time. Question number 8. Number 8 for the free hit. Who recently became the only man in Test history to score a double century in 4th innings on debut?
Kyle Mayers.
Dekha, champion, ballebaz champion. Kyle Mayers, 210 not out versus Bangladesh in Chattogram. He also helped West Indies chase the highest successful chase on Asian soil, 395 to date, ever. Okay, here's the bonus question. See if you can get it right. Before Mayers, who was the other debutant who also scored a double century against Bangladesh at the same venue?
Jack Rudolph.
Oh, it is Jacques Rudolph. You're right. 40 points. Wow, what a comeback. Question number 9. What are you going to lose? Okay, no free hit. Normal question. The Biff and the Beefy feasted on the pigeon, but Captain Grumpy wasn't impressed. These are their pet names, nicknames. Who are we talking about? 5 points per name. I'll keep saying Biff, Beefy, Pigeon, Captain Grumpy. Yellow. Yellow.
Botham,
Is which one?
Beefy.
Right. Biff, Pigeon, and Captain Grumpy.
Pigeon is Megra.
Correct. Captain Grumpy and Biff, the Biff. You can stop if you don't know, so you don't get negative points. You got 10. Red press next.
I
So
know the same two.
you know the same two. You don't go for Biff and Captain Grumpy. Graham Smith, the Biff. Beefy, Ian Botham. Pigeon, Glenn McGrath, and Grumpy or Captain Grumpy was Alan Border, who never smiled while playing, but he smiles now. Okay, folks, well done. It's a massive one to finish. I mean, massive one. Finale, Ant, extra innings, and whatever you want to call it, this is it. The last moment. Here it is, folks. Look behind. On your screen is going to come. Oh, great. Okay, it's only for Team Yellow. Free hit was taken. We'll play it later in some other episode, but it was taken. So Yellow, you're ready. You have to look behind. Everyone can look behind, but only Yellow can answer. 2 names are missing from the tied Test match 1986-87 in Chennai. A huge match, India-Australia. Only 2 names have been removed. In green, the scores or wickets have been highlighted. Can you tell us who the 2 are?
Dean Jones.
Yeah? Sorry, Dean Jones and?
Vishwanath.
Okay, it carries over to red.
That's Dean Jones and Sunil Gavaskar.
That's the right answer. Dean Jones and Sunil Gavaskar. Okay, so red, you get 20 for that. Yellow, you get 10. Green, I'll talk to you later about Viv Richards, but no points at the moment. But you get a bonus question, red, which is attached, which may change the game. After his marathon double century 210 in Chennai's hot and humid conditions, how much weight, true story, known fact, how much weight did Dean Jones lose during that innings? 2 kg, 8 kg, 14 kg, 1 kg.
8.
You good with 8? It's the right answer. Well done, Team Red. Well done, Team Yellow. Well done, Team Green. But sadly, we have reached the end of the show, and I feel it's not right to give anybody prizes now because, I'm feeling emotional and senti and sad, and I miss my kids and all that because this was such an enjoyable time here on this show with a fake pitch and lovely stumps and a bat which didn't have a middle spot. But really, it's been great. And we have to give you a choice of winner and loser because that's the way the game goes. So, in a second, we'll do that. But first, we're going to call on this area, not much space, every couple or every pair in each team to get some special prizes. At third, green team, 95 points. Not bad. Got the Vivrichas question, but then went down a little bit towards the end. Team yellow, 130 points. Again, second half better than the first. But let me tell you the story of Team Red. Team Red was way back till question number 8 in the final over. And between 8 and 10, they scored 70 points and went from third to first by a huge margin. They end with 165. 165 world champions, finale winners, the Shahenshah, the King of Kings, the greatest man ever, and his lovely mother. Let's call them in. This is your prize. Please come and take it, guys. Come here. Mummy ji, aye. The trophy is for you. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Come to this side. And this LED Smart TV, 55 inches. Yes, it's magic. This is for both of you all. He lives at home, na?
Yes.
Ghar pe hai na? So TV you'll have to carry. Mummy ji will take the trophy. Fair enough? These are the winners of our finale. Give them a big hand. Well played, everybody. And let's invite yellow and green, the festive occasion of the end of the show. We will do the bhangra and we will enjoy ourselves, and then food will be served for 15 minutes. There will be cold drinks, all diet drinks. You'll all be happy. Don't worry about it. Everybody, well done. What a wonderful day we've been having. Goodbye for the last time to everybody. Thank the crew. Thank everybody who's worked behind. Thank you for watching. We'll be back maybe next season with lots more interesting but same winners. You'll come back, right? You'll come back, right?